taking an order and presenting sparkling wine. Let's take a look at how to take a sparkling wine order and prepare everything you need to deliver champagne service to guests. The steps we'll be looking at are take the order, set up the ice bucket, fetch the glassware, dress the bottle, and present the sparkling wine to the guest. Let's start with how to take the order. When the guest orders sparkling wine, be sure to repeat the name and vintage back to the guest, and commend them on their choice. For example, that's a bottle of the Louis Roederer 2002 from Reims. Fantastic choice, Mr. Grant. Next, set up an ice bucket. Sparkling wine is served chilled, so set up an ice bucket next to the table in reach of the host, but not in the way. Remember to include a service cloth. If you're uncertain how to set up an ice bucket, be sure to re-watch the lesson on taking and presenting a wine order. Next, you will fetch the glassware. Can you remember which of these glasses is used in the service of sparkling wine? It's this one, the champagne flute. So these are the glasses that you must deliver to the guest when they order sparkling wine. By now, you also know that these glasses must be clean and polished. They must be carried on a tray and placed on your guest's right-hand side. The next step is to dress the bottle. Each establishment will have its own special way of dressing a bottle of bubbly, and some may not dress the bottle at all. However, it does add to the ceremony of sparkling wine service. The necktie is also used to pour the wine. All you need are two beautiful, clean service cloths. Let's look at how to fold and tie the necktie. Step 1. Place a service cloth flat on a surface, with the hems facing upwards. Step 2. Fold the edges of the cloth towards the middle, and then in half again. Step 3. Fold the cloth in half again. Step 4. Create a loop that will go around the neck of the bottle. And lastly, step 5. Now slip the loop over the neck of the bottle, with the long end hanging at the back of the bottle, so that it is out of the way when you present. Be sure to pull at the necktie so that it is secure. Now that the bottle is dressed in a necktie, let's look at how to fold and add the jacket. Step 1. Fold the edges of the service cloth towards the middle, and in half again. And step 2. Wrap the jacket around the bottle, with the cloth overlapping on the label. This way, when you unwrap it at the guest's table, the label will be open and facing them. Be sure that the cloth is overlapping evenly and neatly around the bottle. Also, make sure the necktie is hanging loose over the jacket. You're now ready to present the sparkling wine to the guest. Just as with any wine, you must present the bottle of sparkling wine to the guest before opening it. If the bottle is dressed, you should open the jacket. You can then confirm the name of the sparkling wine, for example by saying, Mr. Grant, the delicious Louis Roederer 2002 from Reims. So to summarize, the points we looked at in this lesson are take the order, set up an ice bucket, fetch the glassware, dress the bottle, and present the sparkling wine to the guest. You can now move on to the next process, opening the sparkling wine. Enjoy!